around the world challenge. That's right, we're going to walk around the world. This is how we're going to do it. Every Saturday, every Sunday, we're going to meet up 7 a.m. at Kitland Nelson Park. But in order for this to work, I need all of you to get involved and get the community involved. And really, let's get a pocket healthy. Let's do this. So what we're going to do, we're going to walk 24,860 miles. Yeah, I said it, 24,860 miles. And this is how we're going to do it. We're all going to get together every Saturday, every Sunday at 7 a.m. We're going to walk 1 hour. Each person's going to do 2 miles. We're going to collectively add that up until we get to 24,860 miles. Yeah, I said it. So what I need is 500 people. We need 500 people at least to participate in this. If we get 500 people, that's 50 miles apiece. It's going to take us 3 months to make this happen. That's it. Walk around the world. 3 months. We're going to do it. We're going to make it happen. Why? Because you can. You can do anything you want if you put your mind to it. And we're about to put our mind to it, and we're about to put a pop on the map, about to get healthy, about to introduce them to an active lifestyle, a fun lifestyle, and show them what we do. But in order for it to work, I need your help. So what you're going to do right now, you're going to go to the link that should be about right here. All right, synergyproject1.com. Get registered. Go to the event. Send your people to the event. Let's make this happen. You claim you a beast. You claim you claim. All right, let's make it happen. Let's prove it. You ever walk around the world? No, but we're about to do it now. So collectively, we're going to put our community together. We're going to pull them together. And we're going to make it happen. You say you about it. You say you're a beast. Ready? Ready? Prove it. Oh, by the way, I need all you guys to share this on your Facebook page.